Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term epic theatre. Introduction. Bertolt Brecht, a prominent German playwright of the 20th century, introduced the concept of epic theatre in the 1920s as a radical departure from the prevailing theatre of bourgeois realism. The term epic in Brecht's context was not meant to imply heroic tales, but rather referred to his endeavour to emulate the objectivity and detachment found in Homeric epic narration. This video explores Brecht's innovative approach to theatre, his use of alienation effects, and the underlying purpose of encouraging critical engagement with social conditions and behaviors. Furthermore, it discusses the enduring impact of Brecht's epic theatre on contemporary playwrights worldwide. Alienation Effects, Verfremdungseffekt. At the heart of Brecht's epic theatre was the rejection of traditional empathetic connection between the audience and the actors, which was the hallmark of bourgeois realism. Brecht sought to create a sense of alienation, Verfremdungseffekt, by using various theatrical techniques that reminded the audience that they were witnessing a performance, rather than becoming emotionally immersed in the characters' lives. He employed a detached narrator, interludes with placards providing context, and breaking the fourth wall to address the audience directly. These devices disrupted the illusion of reality and provoked intellectual engagement. Central objective of epic theatre. The central objective of Brecht's epic theatre was to provoke critical thinking and active opposition to societal norms and power structures. By avoiding emotional identification with the characters, Brecht wanted the audience to analyze and question the social conditions portrayed in his plays. His works often highlighted themes of class struggle, oppression, and dehumanizing effects of capitalism. Through epic theatre, Brecht aimed to inspire the audience to become agents of change rather than passive spectators. Enduring influence. Brecht's dramatic techniques and ideas have had a lasting influence on the world of theatre. His works continue to be produced frequently, and his approach to alienation effects has been emulated by numerous playwrights. In England, playwrights like Edward Bond and Caryl Churchill have drawn inspiration from Brecht's epic theatre, incorporating similar devices to achieve critical distance. In America, Tony Kushner's plays, notably Angels in America, reflect Brechtian influences in their exploration of political and social issues. Conclusion. In conclusion, Bertolt Brecht's concept of epic theatre represented a revolutionary departure from traditional theatrical conventions. By using alienation effects and aiming to engage the audience critically, Brecht sought to break the passivity of spectatorship and encourage active opposition of societal norms. His influence on contemporary playwrights testifies to the enduring significance of his epic theatre in challenging audiences and provoking meaningful reflection on the world around them. So this was the discussion on the topic epic theatre. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.